Tips to make your diet healthier. If you follow these tips, you will never face any problem regarding your health. Before starting the video, please subscribe Healthy Tips for Men to get latest updates about healthy tips and free Mediterranean diet meal plan. 1. Eat your fruits instead of drinking them. Fruits are loaded with water, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Studies have repeatedly linked eating fruit to a reduced risk of several health conditions, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Because fruits contain fiber and various plant compounds, their natural sugars are generally digested very slowly and don't cause major spikes in blood sugar levels. However, the same doesn't apply to fruit juices. Many fruit juices aren't even made from real fruit, but rather concentrate in sugar. Some varieties may even contain as much sugar as a sugary soft drink. Even real fruit juices lack the fiber and chewing resistance provided by whole fruits. This makes fruit juice much more likely to spike your blood sugar levels, leading you to consume too much in a single sitting. 2. Cook at home more often. Try to make a habit of cooking at home most nights rather than eating out. For one, it's easier on your budget. Second, by cooking your food yourself, you'll know exactly what is in it. You won't have to wonder about any hidden unhealthy or high-calorie ingredients. Also, by cooking large servings, you'll also have leftovers for the next day, ensuring a healthy meal then, too. Finally, cooking at home has been associated with a lower risk of obesity and improved diet quality, especially among children. 3. Become more active. Good nutrition and exercise often go hand in hand. Exercise has been shown to improve your mood, as well as decrease feelings of depression, anxiety, and stress. These are the exact feelings that are most likely to contribute to emotional and binge eating. Aside from strengthening your muscles and bones, exercise may help you. 1. Lose weight. 2. Increase your energy levels. 3. Reduce your risk of chronic diseases. 4. Improve your sleep. Aim to do about 30 minutes of moderate to high intensity exercise each day, or simply take the stairs and go on short walks whenever possible. 4. Replace sugary beverages with sparkling water. Sugary beverages might possibly be the unhealthiest thing you can drink. They're loaded with added sugar, which has been linked to numerous diseases, including 1. Heart disease. 2. Obesity. 3. Type 2 diabetes. Plus, the added sugar found in these drinks doesn't impact appetite the same way as regular food does. This means you don't compensate for the calories you drink by eating any less. 1 16-ounce, 492 milliliter, sugary soda contains about 207 calories. Try replacing your sugary beverage with either a sugar-free alternative or simply choose still or sparkling water instead. Doing so will shave off the non-beneficial calories and reduce your intake of excess sugar. 5. Stay away from diet foods. So-called diet foods can be very deceiving. They have usually had their fat content reduced dramatically and are often labeled fat-free, low-fat, fat-reduced, or low-calorie. However, to compensate for the lost flavor and texture from fat, sugar and other ingredients are often added. So, many diet foods end up containing more sugar and sometimes even more calories than their full-fat counterparts. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits and vegetables. 6. Get a good night's sleep. The importance of good sleep can't be overstated. Sleep deprivation disrupts appetite regulation, often leading to increased appetite. This results in increased calorie intake and weight gain. In fact, people who sleep too little tend to weigh significantly more than those who get enough sleep. Being sleep deprived also negatively affects concentration, productivity, athletic performance, glucose metabolism, and immune function. What's more, it increases your risk of several diseases, including inflammatory conditions and heart disease. That's why it's important to try to get adequate amounts of good quality sleep, preferably in one bout. 7. Eat fresh berries instead of dried ones. Berries are very healthy and packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. Most varieties can be purchased fresh, frozen, or dried. Although all types are relatively healthy, the dried varieties are a much more concentrated source of calories and sugar, since all the water has been removed. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of fresh or frozen strawberries contains 3,135 calories, while 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of dried strawberries contain a whopping 375 calories. The dried varieties are also often covered with sugar, further increasing the sugar content. By opting for the fresh varieties, you will get a much juicier snack that's lower in sugar and contains fewer calories. 8. Choose popcorn instead of chips. It may be surprising that popcorn is a whole grain that's loaded with nutrients and fiber. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of air-popped popcorn contains 387 calories and 15 grams of fiber, while the same amount of potato chips contains 532 calories and only 3 grams of fiber. Diets rich in whole grains have been linked to health benefits, such as a reduced risk of inflammation and heart disease. For a healthy snack, try making your own popcorn at home, not microwave popcorn varieties, or purchase air-popped popcorn. Many commercial varieties prepare their popcorn with fat, sugar, and salt, making it no healthier than potato chips. 9. Choose healthy oils. Highly processed seed and vegetable oils have become a household staple over the past few decades. Examples include soybean, cottonseed, sunflower, and canola oils. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids but low in heart-healthy omega-3s. Some research suggests a high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio can lead to inflammation and has been linked to chronic conditions, such as heart disease, cancer, osteoporosis, and autoimmune disorders. Swap these oils for healthier alternatives, such as 1. Extra virgin olive oil. 2. Avocado oil. 3. Coconut oil. 10. Eat from smaller plates. It has been proven that the size of your dinnerware can affect how much you eat. Eating from a large plate can make your portion look smaller, while eating from a small plate can make it look bigger. According to one study, eating from a smaller plate was associated with increased feelings of satiety and reduced energy intake among participants with a healthy body weight. Also, if you don't realize that you're eating more than usual, you won't compensate by eating less at the next meal. By eating from smaller dinnerware, you can trick your brain into thinking that you're eating more, making yourself less likely to overeat. Get the salad dressing on the side. Simply getting to the point of being able to order a salad at a restaurant is a great achievement for many. However, not all salads are equally healthy. In fact, some salads are smothered in high-calorie dressings, which may make the salads even higher in calories than other items on the menu. Asking for the dressing on the side makes it a lot easier to control the portion size and amount of calories that you consume. 12. Drink your coffee black. Coffee, which is one of the most popular beverages in the world, is very healthy. In fact, it's a major source of antioxidants and has been linked to many health benefits, such as a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, mental decline, and liver disease. However, many commercial varieties of coffee contain lots of additional ingredients, such as sugar, syrup, heavy cream, and sweeteners. Drinking these varieties quickly negates all of coffee's health benefits and instead adds lots of extra sugar and calories. Instead, try drinking your coffee black or just adding a small amount of milk or cream instead of sugar.